My name is Dr. Amir. It is almost 2 years since the start of COVID-19 pandemic. This tiny virus has changed our lives forever. We are all trying to beat it by following the global vaccination program. For this reason, I'm very happy to announce that I have recently taken my third booster shot of Pfizer vaccine without any problems. As you may have recently heard, according to the CDC, Center for Disease Control in the US, they recommended that elderly people over 65 years old or any patient with chronic medical diseases should receive a booster shot of Pfizer or Moderna vaccine 6 months after completing their initial series. Also in the UK, they approved Pfizer and Astra Zeneca vaccine to be used as effective third booster dose. Unfortunately, we are still seeing a lot of people who are reluctant or afraid from taking the initial COVID-19 vaccine, even though it has been given to millions of people around the world, and it seems to be safe and effective. Personally, I took my first and second Pfizer shots about 9 months ago without any problems or complications, and even without catching COVID-19 virus, despite being a frontline doctor. The main reason behind the need for booster shot is that recent studies found the immunity from the vaccine dips down 6 months after receiving the second shot. This is what has happened in a neighboring country, which had the highest vaccination rate. Initially, they had a major decline in the infection rate after their vaccination campaign. Later, they noticed a major increase in the infection rate. Their study confirmed that the immunity against the virus goes down 6 months after the vaccine. This above information should not be a reason for people not to get vaccinated if they haven't done it already. Some recent studies showed that the rate of serious COVID-19 cases and hospitalization among unvaccinated people was much higher than the rate among the fully vaccinated people. Here in the UAE, the booster vaccine campaign was started few months ago, especially for people who took the Sinopharm vaccine. They were given the option of either taking third dose of Sinopharm or 1 or 2 doses of Pfizer vaccine. In addition, another booster vaccine protocol was recently approved in the UAE for people who received 2 shots of Pfizer or Sputnik vaccines. They recommend getting a third booster shot of the same vaccine 6 months after their second shot. Initially, it was approved for patients with lower immunity. Now, it is available only for people over 60 years old or patients over 50, but with chronic medical diseases. You should be very lucky if you live in a country which can provide you with a booster shot. This will offer you more protection against the coronavirus. So I hope this information will remove any doubts or concerns about the vaccine, and hopefully we will be able to continue the global vaccination efforts to beat this virus forever. Please share this video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until I see you again, I would like to wish you happy, healthy life.